Following suit with some states and other counties in Michigan, Kent County announced today that bars and restaurants will now have to limit their capacity by 50% of what their buildings can normally hold. News 8's Whitney Burney is live in downtown Grand Rapids with how the restrictions will work. Whitney.
Leon, those restrictions also apply to fitness centers and concert venues. Governor Gretchen Whitmer originally put a ban on any event with 250 or more people, but tonight the Kent County Health Department says that's not enough. They say that's still too much opportunity for the virus to spread. As St. Patrick's Day approaches, local bars and restaurants are gearing up for one of their biggest days of the year.
Well, we brought in 12 kegs of Guinness. The green beer, we decorated for St. Patrick's Day. Everybody's been psyched up. Everybody was in costume yesterday.
But this holiday, things are different as the dark cloud of coronavirus reigns overhead, canceling large events and keeping people at home.
It's very quiet.
Oh, yeah.
Very quiet, very weird.
This after Governor Whitmer banned all gatherings over 250 people to prevent further spread. Today, the Kent County Health Department extended that ban even further.
I'm issuing an emergency public health order that I've just signed a few moments ago to reduce occupancy load for food service establishments, entertainment venues, and physical fitness centers.
These venues now required to cut capacity by 50%. It excludes employees and doesn't apply to shelters, food pantries, or grocery stores.
As we've learned about this virus and how it's transmitted, what's become very apparent is that the most effective way that this virus spreads is through close contact.
The capacity restrictions go into effect tomorrow morning at 10. The Sheriff's Department says they're already planning more patrols to enforce it.
If it appears that establishment is over capacity, our plan is to seek management's cooperation to lower capacity.
Kent County officials say they're aware this may put businesses in a tough spot, but they've been in communication with them ahead of this announcement and are hoping for full cooperation. This public health order will continue to be in effect until April 5th. One thing that the health department continued to reiterate during that press conference earlier today was that grocery stores will still be available to people to get the food that they need amid this coronavirus outbreak. Leon.
All right, Whitney Burney reporting live for us tonight, downtown Grand Rapids, where so much is changing for those businesses. Whitney, thank you. The list of states ordering all bars and restaurants to close is growing. Both Ohio and Illinois announcing statewide closures today. Could that happen here? Federal and Michigan officials hinted today that it's a very real possibility. Listen.
Governor, are you considering closing bars and restaurants at any point in the future?
I would anticipate that you'll learn more about what our next steps are on that front in the very near future. But like everyone, I saw pictures of people cramming into facilities, not observing the social distancing that we know is critical to public health. And I found those incredibly disturbing as well. And certainly at the local level, there are some decisions being made, but I think you'll see some at the state level in short order.
We'll have updated guidelines tomorrow morning for you that are being vetted now with CDC and all of our top healthcare experts.
A lot of eyes on that news. The White House task force will announce those additional guidelines during a briefing at 10:30 tomorrow morning. We will bring that to you live on the air on Wood TV 8 and, of course, stream it at woodtv.com. The pertinent updates will come to you in a push alert using your Wood TV app.